OneNote is a tool of Microsoft Office 365 Productivity Suite. It is a very useful tool for taking instant notes and knowledge curation. We can create plenty of notebooks with multiple sections and have multiple pages in those sections. We can share the notes with our colleagues as well. But what if we do not want our colleagues to access our private notes? One way is to keep separate notebooks, that is one for personal use and the other one for sharing use. What if you have shared a notebook with two different teams and do not want team A to access the notes of team B and vice versa? Microsoft OneNote provides you the capability of restricting users to access the amount of information. In this video, we will show you how you can do that. You can access either OneNote for desktop or OneNote online. I have opened my OneNote for desktop. I have three types of notebooks, that are personal notebook, official notebook, and the ones which are shared with me. Each notebook can have multiple sections which can further have multiple pages. For example, I have shared my official notebook with my colleagues and I do not want them to access some of the sections of this notebook. For this, I will have to select the section on which I want to apply the password protection. For example, I do not want my colleagues to access Fortran Knowledge Innovation section. Therefore, I need to right click on the section and select the option as Password Protect from the drop down list. The password protection bar will open at the right side of the window. Click on Set Password. Enter the password of your choice. You need to reconfirm the password and then click on OK. Now the password has been set on Fortran Knowledge Innovation section of my notebook. Now you need to lock the protected sections so that no one can access it. For doing so, right click on the section that you have protected with password. Again select the password protect this section and choose lock all. It will take few seconds to sync the changes. Once the changes will be updated, it will show the message as this section is password protected. Click here or press enter to unlock it. When I will press enter, I will have to enter the password to unlock this section. Let me do this. In this way, I have unlocked this section. This is for now. To know more about advanced features of Microsoft OneNote, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.